In a bowl, add 3 eggs, 150 grams of sugar, 80 milliliters of oil, 200 milliliters of milk, 190 grams of flour, to that add 30 grams of cocoa powder and 10 grams of baking powder. Add orange zest. Bake it in a preheated oven on 170 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. In a pan, add 250 milliliters of milk, 15 grams of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and bring this to a boil or medium heat. In my bowl, I have 550 milliliters of double cream. To that, add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. In my bowl, I have 200 grams of milk chocolate. To that, I add 250 milliliters of boiled double cream. Let it rest in the fridge overnight. And here is the final result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on your notifications so you will be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you guys in my next one. Bye!